We got the new Monster Jam Legos, Dragon and Dalmatian. They're very cool. We're gonna open them and then build them and then play with them.
Let's do it.
Up in a row. Stick around to the end of the video because we're gonna give this dragon away.
Yeah. Which one do you want to do? I want to do dragon.
No.
I want to do dragon.
No.
Okay, I'll do Monster Mutt. 244, 217. Yours has cooler horns and stuff. This looks fun though. I like the ears.
Kids to kids. Mission accomplished.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Orange and green.
The pullback.
There's the pullback. Ton of stickers.
I think the Maxine, Megalodons, and Gravedigger, and oh yeah, El Toro Loco had way more pieces than this.
This seems simpler. That's good though, because sometimes those other ones are super frustrating.
There's literally only 3 bags.
Okay. Maybe this shouldn't take that long. Yes. There's El Toro Loco, Max D, Gravedigger, and Megalodon.
That took me so much. It took me so much hard work to build it.
Yeah, we did a video of those.
What? No way! You got El Toro Loco and Megalodon? Yes! We're going to the Detroit Monster Jam.
We are 2 months.
So if any of you are going to it, good luck. Good luck finding us.
I'm gonna have a bag full of t-shirts.
There's gonna be Velociraptor, which is like new. It came out last year.
Yeah.
And there's a new truck called Thunderosaurus. We don't know if it's when the actual monster truck, like as the toys coming out, but I saw a video of the new one.
Okay. Oh, he's just smiling, kids. He's happy. He's happy. He can't wait to dive in.
I love building Legos. It's just my thing. I was built for this. But I'm not built for breaking bags open.
Yeah, use your teeth.
Good idea.
Okay.
Oh, there's
You're right. There's not that many pieces here. Maybe this is not going to be that bad. Do you see how this is his eye?
Oh, yeah.
Don't
Yeah,
worry.
it does look like an eye.
Yeah. So that's the real one.
Hold on. They did it with this one, too.
They did?
See? It looks like there's an eye.
Oh, they did make an eye kind of out of that windshield. I like the ears. The ears are super fun and flappy.
I'm going to sort this by color so it's easier.
I like to sort by color too because it's easier to find your pieces.
Yeah, and it's easy because there's less pieces. Like I'm already done with almost done with the green.
Oh, here's the Monster Mutt dump. I'm gonna do Monster Mutt Dalmatian.
Monster Mutt Dalmatian. Yeah.
Oh, this is 3 bags, Caleb.
These are not teeth. These are horns, and they're kind of big, and they're rubber. My dad's birthday's tomorrow.
Happy birthday to me.
I can't. We're gonna surprise him with something. He might already know, but it's not like anything huge. It's just for breakfast.
Oh, cool.
Are these springy?
Let me see.
Are these springy? Let me test run. They're actually kind of springy.
Oh, I see.
I bet you, like, some of our videos inspired the people who made these Legos to, like,
How? How so?
Because, like, they're so hard. Like, the Megalodon and the El Toro Loco were so hard. But then, like, they're like, oh, well, a bunch of kids want these. And then they're like, and the grown-ups usually do all the work for them. So then they're like, why don't we make it easier so maybe the kids can build it?
Oh.
So they did that with these, too.
I definitely feel like there's less Legos here than the other 2.
Yeah, they're smart.
But we'll see if it's still harder to build.
I don't think it will.
We shall see.
I finished sorting.
Green, orange, a little yellow. Ooh, look at those big horns.
Wait, you know what? I'm just gonna already do it.
You know that has to go together?
It has to.
To give you that nice round dragon horn.
I'm just doing it already. I'm just gonna build now.
Time lapse commence time lapse?
Here we come.
What happened?
I put the whole thing backwards. So.
He's taking it apart.
And now I'm just gonna start over because I don't know how to, like, where this goes.
Like, here's the thing. I felt like the exact same way as Caleb. I was getting confused on mine too. Because if you look at the first couple things, you've got this motor, and then you're like attaching all these little things to the motor. You make a little thing on the side, you attach it to the motor, you make a little thing on the side, and then you attach it to the motor. So what was helping me is when you look at this picture, is that you always keep in mind where is the Lego box. That's a Lego box, you can see it right here. So if you can just orient the Lego box, then I feel like you can make sure you don't do it wrong.
Okay.
But it should still be okay, right, Caleb? He's got all the pieces. He's just got to pull them off and, like, flip them.
Okay, so like this, right? Yep. Now the other side, do the same exact thing. So like this goes, right? Oh, right. I have to take the 60 steps.
And what are you on? 19?
Yep.
Okay.
No, 15. Oh, yeah, 19.
So you're like a third of the way through? Let's see what it looks like a third of the way through. Here's mine. I'm about a third of the way too. I'm on 19.
Oh, this is upside down.
We're both on step 19.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
This is what mine looks like on step 19. I got a little bit more going on. You having fun?
Yes, it's like I'm in the zone right now.
If someone would have told me, my younger self, you will get paid to to build Legos with your son in the future, I would have flipped out. I love Legos growing up.
Yeah, but ours are much fancier.
These are so fancy compared to what I had growing up.
I bet you Legos in the future there will be instructions, like screens for the instructions. And then like the Legos will be super high tech.
What do you think they'll look like? Float around?
And then in the future, if we went to the future, like, wow, that's so amazing, they can fly. And then the normal people like, yeah, they can fly. Like, that's normal, dude.
Yeah. This is what he's got so far. It's a very sleek design. A lot harder than it looks. And then this is my Monster Mutt design right here.
Oh, so bad.
You can kind of see the tail.
You can see its tongue. I like the tongue.
Oh yeah, there's a tongue there. Yeah, it just says the gray one goes through, right?
Mm-hmm. Is that it?
Well, that's it.
Yep, okay. Oh, I'm just going to put...
Oh, one more step.
This is the step. Okay, done.
All right, good night, kids. We'll see you tomorrow morning.
See you in the morning.
Hi, what do you think?
I love it. He's so cute. Oh, a little wobbly tail. That's adorable, too.
Caleb's over here working on his.
It literally just landed like that. I just dropped and it landed like that.
Cool.
Okay.
Look who's awake. Cool, you like that Monster Mutt?
Yeah. I officially have no more blues on the table. And this is how Dragon's coming through so far. And I'm building this thing. So, this
Dragon broke down, so this is the mechanical Caleb.
If the kids remember to stick around, we got one extra dragon. At the end of the video, we'll show you how to get it.
Yep.
You gonna pull it back? Oh, you got his ears up. Okay. Whoa.
Sorry, but this is my video.
Nice. You like to flap his ears and play with his ears?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday
Are you singing?
Say happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Happy birthday,
Thank you.
Mom, we're gonna tell him a surprise.
What's the surprise?
Dom's Donuts.
Yes! Dom's Donuts, my favorite.
Yeah, seriously, it is.
Caleb's almost done. You guys see this really cool dragon? It's got shocks. He's got to just do a couple more of these and then a ton of teeth. I mean horns. What are you doing over here? Singing to the dog?
And Gravedigger.
You're not supposed to play with these like they're babies. These are supposed to go over ramps and jump.
You go back to the doctor. Okay, now you go back to the doctor. I'm not sick anymore.
You're pets. I'll free you.
No.
I want to ride over jumps. Give me that back, little girl. Hey. Hey.
This is so cool.
This is cool.
Haha, I get a cooler
Those horns are so awesome.
It goes like this too.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, like that.
Wavy horn.
A wavy horn.
Yeah.
Or like this. There.
Cool horns, dragon.
Whoa! The
Looking
dragon
great.
sticker.
Oh yeah, the dragon.
Okay, now these four. No, there's two on each.
Every single tire gets one. And now he's done.
Yay! I'm
Woohoo!
gonna test and see if this is strong or not.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. It seems kind of weird.
It does feel, it looks sweet. Here, let me see it. Let's look at this thing. Wow. That is so awesome.
And the spikes, horns. You can move the horns.
Very cool. Oh, I got that on tape. Mom blowing her nose.
Woo!
Well, there's only one way to find out who's the fastest and who can do the most jumps. You gotta test them out against all of them.
Yep, Max D, Megalodon, Dragon, and Dalmatian.
El Toro Loco. Let's put them all out. Should we pull them all out?
Okay. I have been having this blanket for like 9 years since I was a baby.
It used to look a lot different.
Yeah, but it's now pink and purple.
And red
but I'm still attached to it, so.
That's the actual inside of the blanket.
Yeah.
The outside used to be a different pattern, and they ripped the outside off.
This blanket has survived years
And I really like it. I don't know
That's
why.
his blanket. Do you remember the first Monster Jam we ever went to?
Well, we saw a dragon there.
Dragon.
Yeah.
We were like, we
The
all wanted to
dragonite.
see him. He was our favorite. And
Yeah.
he crashed after one. They drug him over to the side, and then we got to kind of get close to him.
Oh, we did take a really close picture
and
with
then they
him.
told us we couldn't be that close.
We just wanted a picture. Dragon won't be here in Detroit, but we will have Dragonoid.
Oh yeah, Dragonoid is sweet. They gotta make a Dragonoid Lego.
Yeah, they do. They should.
That'll
would
be next.
So cool.
I know.
The next one should be Zombie
And Dragonoid.
Yeah, that should be the next one. I built this one, this one, this one. This should be over here now.
I built these. Oh no, Mom built this one if you remember the video.
Oh yeah. So you only built 2.
That's okay. All right, you ready?
Yep.
We're gonna get dressed and then we're gonna
Mine. I want this one. I have to race it.
we're gonna race them and see
I'm
who's
gonna
the
go to
fastest.
library. I'm going to the library.
And do a freestyle. We'll do a
Now let's go to
freestyle.
the library.
And we'll do a freestyle. You keep cutting me off.
We are going to race these Legos.
All right, let's do it.
Yay! I was outside. So
I
my
have
cheeks are red.
I got a new truck.
You got Dalmatian and El Toro Loco.
It's Grave Digger.
Grave Digger.
And Megalodon.
And then
I
you've
got
got.
Dragon, obviously, and Max D.
Okay. All right, what we're gonna do is just race them from this to that, and just see who's the fastest. All 6. Let's try all 6 at first.
Okay.
Vroom, vroom. And your mark. Get set. Go. Let go. What happened to this guy?
Every monster truck won. But except for Grave Digger.
Max D came in first.
He did.
Because Megalodon kicked his tire because he was too close. So then he kicked his tire so then he can lose.
We should just try to race these 2 at a time
Okay.
to see who's the fastest because because it seemed like Grave Digger didn't even have a good. Grave Digger didn't even have a chance. All right, let's race. You want to race your 2, Mare?
Grave Digger is probably the strongest truck. Grave Digger and Max D, the first ones.
Yeah, then the oldest ones seem to have the strongest pullbacks.
Yep.
But we shall see. Mary's gonna do the first race. These are the first 2 Lego trucks that we got.
I built that. Mom built that.
So I have.
And then we're gonna see which one's faster.
So I
Okay,
have.
are you ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Yes!
Yeah.
So this one is super fast, this Max D, huh?
Yeah. Probably the fastest.
Yeah, we won the other race. And this guy didn't flip over, so we saw how fast he was.
Yes.
So we got Max D as a winner. Here, let's put Max D here. This is the winners.
Yes. Or this can. I was building this one.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
wanna
It
put it up
has
there?
always like a big winner stand.
Okay, and then maybe this can be the losers. Put Grave Digger over here.
How about this? Can I try him one more time? I'm creepy.
After we're done.
My name is Creepy.
Creepy.
It's so creepy.
Okay, do you want to do the next 2?
Yeah.
The next 2 that we bought were Megalodon and El Toro Loco. Okay, we got race 2, Megalodon and El Toro Loco.
Yeah.
Let them go.
Whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3.
Yes! Yes!
Okay.
He didn't even got to the finish line.
He did, but oh, he crashed.
Yes, literally all the
Who
ones
is
I
the
built have been
winner?
winning.
Who is the winner?
Him.
Megalodon's the
Yes.
winner.
Megalodon!
Yes!
I knew Megalodon was gonna win.
You did? You knew that one?
Yeah. Bite. Yeah. Bite. Wait. One more thing. Can you show the camera?
Yeah. Ah! The newest race. The newest trucks that look so awesome.
Dragon and Monster Mutt.
Yes! I'm excited. I know which one you want to win. I know which one you want to win. Okay.
I want Dragon to win.
You do? I do too. I just think Dragon looks so awesome.
Yeah, everyone's Dragon to win except
No, you're wrong. He break.
Here,
He wins.
I need your help.
He don't break.
On your mark.
Get set, go!
Dragon! Can I pull this thorn out of him?
No.
But I want him to break because he's
Oh,
the winner.
no. Okay, we're gonna have Dragon. I want to have Max D go last because I feel like Max D might win this. So let's have Megalodon and Dragon go next.
Okay.
This is the second race to see who will fight Max D. Will it be
Dragon
or
Megalodon. Ready, set, go! Come on, come on! I have no
Oh!
idea who just won.
Oh, we have to do this We have to do the photo finish.
Oh my gosh, please, dragon.
We're consoling Caleb.
It was Megalodon.
That was so close. You could.
Who was the winner? Who was the winner? Who was the winner?
Megalodon.
I hate Megalodon. I hate Megalodon.
But he's the winner. So you want Max D to win?
Yes.
All right. So it's Max D versus Megalodon, which is what? Hey, who did that?
I want Megalodon to win, actually.
Okay. Oh, I hear the clicks. Oh, he's see, look how Caleb put him a little bit ahead, didn't he? He wants Megalodon to win.
Hey, oh, look how Mary put now.
Oh, he's crooked, he's crooked. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh, no!
Oh!
He has so much.
I know, because yours was ahead, actually. We all saw, all the kids saw that you had him a little bit ahead.
Why? Because Mary
Who hit the wall first?
Me.
You mean Max D? You didn't hit the wall. Max D hit the wall.
I did.
Max D won!
Maxi's gotta be the strongest.
He is. So the next thing we're gonna have to do is what?
Ramps or
Yeah.
freestyle.
Freestyle. And I don't know if this one's gonna do as good as freestyle because look it. This is gonna be really hard to land that.
Wait, let's see if he can land really good.
Oh! Oh, twice!
Twice in a row.
Look at that. Okay, so maybe this is gonna be Dragon's event. Let's see.
Yeah.
Are you ready for Monster Jam?
Right, ready?
Are you ready for Monster Jam Freestyle?
Yeah. How do you play?
So, there's 3 ramps. And you
Okay.
have 10 tries.
To use them?
Yeah, to use these 3 ramps. Like,
Okay. So how do you win?
whoever lands the most wins.
Who are you looking at?
You.
You never look on camera.
Sorry,
You always look that
I'm
way.
just thinking around.
Okay, so who's going first? Okay.
He's got a flat top, so it's easy for him to land.
I think so.
Like, if he goes on a ramp, it'll be like, and then, but he's straight, so it can be like a switch.
You want to start off with this one?
And...
Oh!
if he would have just done this, flipped a little bit, and then did that.
No. Okay, keep going. You want to do this one? The flip ramp? Are you going to rev it, or are you just going to let it go?
Maybe just let it go.
Okay.
Oh, if you had a little bit more of a push, you could have gone like this.
Okay, that's your 10 tries, and how many have you used? So how many?
Oh, 8!
Yeah, very good. Okay, so let's do it. Let's try the sky wheelie.
Like, go.
Yeah.
So close!
Grape has 0 points. Come on, we gotta get some points. You wanna try that? You wanna try that one again? Ready.
Go! So close.
Which one do you wanna do now?
I just want to get.
I know, I want him to get a
Boy.
point. Come on, pick one. Let's do this guy. Come, don't get swallowed up.
He was eating me.
Go.
You gonna try it again? How about you do a little rev on it? You pull it back a little bit.
Okay.
I wonder what that will do. Ready yet?
Go. Whoa!
That gave it a little bit more air. You like this one?
It's just easier because at the end it swoops so it gets higher air and then it will floop.
Let's pull it back as much as it can. Let's see what happens.
Go.
Yeah.
So close! He was doing flip.
He's got one more try. He's got to get 1 point, man. Come on. 1 point. Let's go. You want to do this one? You like this one, huh? Or do you want to do one of these? You talking to him?
Hey, you
All
have
right,
to win.
let's go. Let's go, baby.
Or you'll be the worst monster in the whole world. You prankster. Ready?
Yeah.
Does that count as a point? It did a wheelie.
Nope. He got 0.
This, and then you just a little. I think air came from that way.
He was like this?
No.
He was like this?
No.
And then he went like that.
No, because air got him.
Okay, dead. 0 points.
Wait, can I have him?
Yeah.
Let's give you to the graveyard.
Where's the graveyard? Under here?
I'll be right back. We're going to the graveyard. I want to be our Toro Loco.
Okay, I got him. Get out of the graveyard. Let's go. I have no idea what Isabel's doing. So I'm going to do the first one with El Toro Loco. Ready? There she is.
It was hard to be serious about. No.
Are you going to do it? Ready?
So close. He was like this, and he did the same thing.
These are hard.
Wait.
Whoever gets 1 is going to win.
Oh my gosh.
Tires
His tires are fancy.
Are they? Let's try the sky ramp. Okay, you ready?
Sky wheelie. I hate his tires. It would have stayed like this, but they're so bouncy and won't like that.
Okay, let's try this one. You're going to pull it back?
Just a little bit.
Ready? Let's try it again.
You little freaking thing.
No one get any points. Okay, let's try these two again. Let's try this one again and just a little closer. Okay, ready? They can't do it. We're gonna try the sky wheelie again. Ready? Oh, you got his horns down? Yeah. No.
You little rascal.
So we got 4 more to go.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, that was a barrel roll. Go. Let's try this ramp.
Yeah! Finally.
He got a point. Let's try this ramp. Okay.
Good boy, good boy.
You got 2 more ramps left.
Good. I'm gonna try this one.
You gonna try this one again?
With his ears down. Go.
Yeah.
No!
1 more try. Should we try this sky ramp? Which one do you want to do? Don't understand this system at all.
This one.
Okay.
I didn't even
I didn't even hear it.
because I was doing it in my brain. Go. At least I have 1 point.
1 point. We have a new winner. This could be pretty easy to beat. So Isabel did 2 already, El Toro Loco and Gravedigger, and the winner right now is 1. They've landed 1 out of 10.
Okay, I want dragon.
First?
Maxi.
Okay. Which ramp do you want to try first?
This one.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Oh!
That was actually close.
It was close. And then you can hold the truck wherever you want to.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my, that was actually cool.
That was 1 point already on the second try. It's not as easy as you may think. Or maybe you just got a good frame. Nope.
Ouch. How did you make it on this one? I just zoomed it.
You pulled it all the way. She pulled it far back, right?
Yeah.
Oh, his tires are too bouncy. You gonna try this one again? Oh!
5 tries left.
Okay.
This guy gave me good luck, so I'm doing it.
Oh! 4 tries left. You can give him a little bit more room to...
Oh, 2. Number 2.
Okay. 3 more tries left?
Yeah, he landed that though.
Okay.
Please. Good job.
2 tries left. It's like an art to pulling. How much do you pull back? How far do you keep the truck? Right there.
9th try. Ow!
did it.
He's like, ow. Get back up.
Okay, 3 points. Last try. That's our new record. He's gonna do this one. He's gonna go flying.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sit. Oh. I was trying to get back up. He was like,
Couldn't do it. 3 points. New champion right here. This guy goes to the graveyard. That's the graveyard down there.
all right, come on, Dragon.
Keep going.
I'll do Dragon. I know Isabel wants to do Monster Mutt.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, kill.
Ooh, that was fast. He went flying down that.
Oh, dang it. Yay!
Did you lose a horn?
No, you lost this. I went on this tire. Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Ooh.
No. That was just a practice.
That doesn't count.
I know, that was a practice.
Okay. So you have 3. Okay, you've done 3 tries.
Come on, Dragon, you're in. Yay!
So Caleb found a way to do the little easy jump.
Come on, Dragon, you're in. That's 2.
2 points
I'm not gonna pull it back.
out of 4 try. Okay. Try 5.
Oh my God!
3 points. 3 points.
Dude, he literally did a backflip. He's like,
I know. That was so awesome.
that was sweet.
So you got 5 more tries to get 1 more point, and then he's the new leader.
He got 3 and 5.
You gonna try this one again? There it is. There it is.
Let's get some more points, buddy. Last try.
Caleb's gonna do this one again. Oh, he's like tap dancing.
He did a backflip,
So you only have 3 tries left.
but he's still in the lead. He has 4 points.
Correct.
Ready?
Yeah. Oof, he couldn't pull it. 2 tries left. This one seems like it needs a lot of force.
Let's go. Ramp.
Wow, that was almost a double back flip.
Come on, please.
Last try.
I guess we'll do this one.
He likes this one.
A lot.
Oh!
That literally was in the way. He jumped. He did this.
Oh,
he
hit the corner.
He landed. And it's like this. He's like,
sorry.
I landed.
Just kidding. 4. New leader.
Haha, Maxie, take that.
See you later.
Dragon. Dragon was the whole thing. I'm gonna be happy. Is this
Okay.
Monster Mutt?
Yeah, Monster Mutt is going to be... Oh, maybe not. She's watching a show now. We could say Monster Mutt for last.
Okay.
Because he's new.
All right, Megalodon's probably not gonna land any of these.
Because...
Fin.
Yeah. Let's see.
He can't even know a wheelie. Guys, wheelie. Nope.
You're right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Oh!
Expecting that. I was not expecting
He
that.
took it like a champ. He
1
monster
point.
trucked it.
I like this round.
Let's see. I can't believe he'll land this. Oh, that's hard. He almost got it.
Knew it. He would fall.
Ready. Oh, he couldn't flip it.
3. So he has 3 done.
Almost.
Fifth try. He has to make 3 points. So once he's at 8, we know he can't win.
Ugh.
All right, 6th try.
So he's got 1 point. He needs 4, right?
Yeah, wait, he can't actually win.
No, if he got all 5, he'd have 6 points right now.
Yep.
So he's got 5 tries.
Ready, set, go. 4 more tries, everyone.
4 more tries.
Okay, so he has to land all 4
To win.
To beat him.
Yeah, he has to land all 4 to win. Can he do it?
Ready?
Yeah. Ugh.
Oh my.
Now he has to
it's
land.
hot.
He has to land all 3 to tie.
But what what if he doesn't land? Can we just put him in?
Yeah, we can do that. I understand what you're saying. He has to land all three. If he doesn't land one of these, he's done.
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go.
Oh, his fin. You were right.
No! I was so close. I'm gonna eat that dragon when I can.
Okay, last truck. Let's see if Dalmatian can win.
Wait, what about Gravedigger?
We already did him. He got 0. He stinks. All right, let's go. Ruff, ruff, ruff.
Be a bad doggy.
Be a good doggy. You could do it. That tail might mess him up.
Yeah, like look.
Or maybe it'll help.
Maybe it'll help. Like.
We shall
that
see.
does nothing. It really does nothing.
Kind of has the same.
You just hit me in the head with the phone.
Sorry.
Wait.
Ooh.
He took that hard to the ground. Like, jump! Ow!
No air on that, wheelie. Let's see if this can get a point. Oh, the wheels.
Ooh, that looks like it hurts a lot.
If you were a dog. Let's go.
No, this truck is really good. This. Wait!
Oh, no!
I was gonna wheelie, like, guys, I'm gonna...
Bad dog! Bad dog!
Yeah, we wanted to be a bad dog.
No treats for you. Okay, he's got 6 tries left. He has to land 4 out of the next 6.
Ready, set, go.
Bad dog!
He's probably gonna not win it all.
Bad dog!
He definitely has Gravedigger shape.
She has to land all 5 to win.
Oh yeah, because it's 4, he ties.
Yeah. Go.
He's just like, whoa.
I want to just keep going to see if she can get any points.
Okay, fair enough.
4 tries. Can you get 1 point? Can you get 1 point?
That might not be a yes.
3 tries.
Well, now we know she can't win, so.
3 tries. Can you get 1 point? No.
What are you doing, doggy?
2 tries. I will give you a dog biscuit if you... She said she's going to land once. Are you going to keep doing this one?
3, 2, 1, go.
No. I thought she had it.
Yeah, me too. Now, doggy, if you don't land this, then you literally are probably the worst one in the world. Well, other than Gravedigger. You and Gravedigger will be tied as the worst freestylers on Legos in the world.
You can do it. Don't be bad like me. Come on, doggy. Come on. You can do it, doggy. Don't be bad like me.
Okay, well, this is...
That was the pep talk.
If she lands this, he's the worst Lego freestyler in the world.
Come on, doggy.
Okay, she's ready. Ready? Yes! Dragon! My boy! Me and my boy go way back. My boy. So go on Instagram and tell us your favorite Christmas present app. And if you don't believe in Christmas, just tell us what your favorite monster truck is.
Okay, that's how you can get the free dragon Lego.